I'm proud to have a father like Baba. I see somebody who is still fighting for us after all these years. And by us, I mean you people, the people of Kenya. Because as a family, we've never really owned him. He's always been out with you guys. So you're the real owners of him. You're the ones he spent 8 years in detention for. You're the ones he spent those long nights out for and weeks away from home. And you're the ones who, time after time, he shakes hands for. Now, Ngugi, nimesikia, you're looking for a second wife. First people are always telling me that. Tell them that I said Winnie Odinga will get married in 2022 on the lawns of State House. So, and you're all invited. So if you want that to happen, go register to vote.